Good day, sir. I'm Crystal Ibanez Fernandez. I present my output in IT 122 Networking 1. What is data communication? Data communication is exchange of data between two devices by some form of transmission medium. 5 characteristics of effective communication. Number 1, it uses the same transmission medium and language. Same transmission language, the passings on of language features such as words between people is the process of inheritance that underlies linguistic evolution as more often. This means that it is the frequency of words are copied. Number 2, direct and indirect communication. Direct communication happens when a speaker's true intentions are communicated in his or her verbal message. It expresses the speaker's sender's needs and desires explicitly. Indirect communication happens when a speaker's true intention are hidden. Number 3, mutual understanding. Mutual understanding, sympathy of each person for the other, mutual affection. Sympathy, a relation of affinity or harmony between people. Whatever affect one correspondingly affects the other. The two of them were in close sympathy. Number 4, continuous process. A continuous process is a process in which the product comes out without interruption and not in groups. The paperboard product, once formed, can be collected on a roll in a continuous process and passed on for further processing. Number 5, use of words as well as symbols. Communicating by using sign language to understand each other. Fundamental characteristic of the data communication. Delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. Acquire. The system must deliver the data accurately. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in timely manner. Components of data communication. Message is the formation data to be communicated. Sender is the device that sends the data message. Receiver, it is the device that receives the message. Categories of network. Network is categories with the FF factors. Size, ownership, distance. It covers physical architecture. Data presentation. 1, text. ASCII acronym example. Abbreviation of American Standard Code for Information Interchange, a standard data transmission code that is used by smaller and less powerful computers to present both textual data, letters, numbers, and function marks, and non-input device, commands, control characters. B. E-ASCII. Press that Alt-K on your keyboard and do not let go. While keep press Alt on your keyboard, type the number 69, which is the number of the letter or symbol E in ASCII table. C. Unicode. Unicode is an information technology standard for the consistent encoding, representation, and handling of the text. Express is most of the world's writing system. D. ISO. ISO, International Organization for Standardization, is an independent, non-governmental international organization that develops standards to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of products, services, and systems. Numbers, image, audio, videos is covered by data representation. Data flow, simplex communication is unidirectional, half-duplex. Each station can both transmit and receive but not at the same time. Full duplex, both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously. Network criteria. Number 1. Performance. It can be measured in many ways. Transit time. It is the amount of time required for message to travel from one device to another. Response time. It is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of the network depends on many factors such as A. Numbers of users. B. Type of transmission medium. C. Capabilities of the hardware and efficiency of software. Number 2. Number 2, reliability. It is measured by the frequency of the failure, time it takes a link to recover from failure, and network's robustness in a catastrophe. Number 3, security. How the network protect data from unauthorized access. Categories of network. Network is categorized with the FF factors. Number 1, size. 2, ownership. 3, distance it covers. 4, physical architecture. Categories. Number 1, local area network. LAN. 2, metropolitan area network MAN. 3, wide area network WAN. Categories, size, ownership, distance, architecture. Example. LAN, building or campus, privately owned. Few kilometers, bus, star ring. Laboratory network. MAN, city, public company, extend over entire city. LAN to LAN, cable network. 1. Globe, private or public, extend over entire globe. Man-to-man, internet. Network is a group of connected communication devices such as computers and printers. 1960, standalone device. ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, DoD, Department of Defense. 1967, ACM, Association for Computing Machinery, meeting. ARPANET, IMP, Interfaces Message Professor. 1969, ARPANET Relay for Node. University of California, Los Angeles, University of California, Santa Barbara, Stanford Research Institute, University of Utah. Network Control Protocol, 1972. Vint and Criff and Bob Kahn, Entertaining Project Transmission Control Protocol. Encapsulation Datagram, Prioritize Time over Reliability Function of Gateway. Shortly Drifter, TCP, TCP higher level function. Number 1, segmentation. Number 2, reassembly. 3, error detection. IP handle diagram. TCP IP Internet Protocol today's. Physical topology. It refers to the way in which a network is laid out physical categories, mesh. Communication is point-to-point. Bus. Signals are shared with the backbone cable. Start. Signals are passing through the central device. Ring. Signals are circulates within the network. Topology. Advantage, disadvantage, feature. Mesh. Point-to-point link. Robust, privacy or security. Expensive in cable and I/O connection. Search bulk of wiring. N-1 connection. Bus. Less expensive than mesh. Ease of installation. Difficult reconnection. Difficult to add station. Limited number of station. Backbone cable. Star. Point-to-point link. Robust, less expensive than mesh. Using central device hub. Ring. Point-to-point link to both side only. Easy to install and configure. Unidirectional traffic of signal. Repeater.